Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 13 October 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 13, the Northern Plains. So we have completed the chapter. Now start with the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. The northern plains can be divided northern plains can be divided into dash river basins. Northern plains can be divided into dash river basins. So first option is 2, second option is 3, third option is 7, and fourth option is 5. So what is the right answer? Right answer is 3. Northern plains can be divided into 3 river basins, that is Satluj river, Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. Is it clear? Next question. Dash lies in the Satluj basin. So number 2. Dash lies in the Satluj. Dash lies in the Satluj basin. First option is Punjab. Option 2 Uttar Pradesh. Option C Assam. And option D Bihar. So dash lies in the Satluj basin. Right answer is Punjab. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, they are in Ganga basin and Assam is in Brahmaputra basin. So right answer is Punjab. Question number 3. The Brahmaputra flows into the dash. Option A Arabian Sea. Option B Indian Ocean. Option C Bay of Bengal. Option D none of these. So Brahmaputra flows into the dash. अरेबियन सी में बेटा आपकी इंदस रिवर जाती है, ठीक है। अरेबियन सी में इंदस रिवर जा रही है और बे ऑफ बंगाल में आपकी कौन जा रही है? ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर जा रही है। So right answer is option number C, that is Bay of Bengal. Fourth one is the which of these rivers is most scared to the Hindus? Option A, the Yamuna. B, the Ganga. C, the Satluj. D, the Brahmaputra. So, which is the holy river for the Hindus? Hindus worship this river. Yamuna, Ganga, Satluj or Brahmaputra. So, right answer is Ganga river. Okay. This river is worshipped by the Hindus. Next, fifth one is the fifth one is the delta formed at the mouth of the Ganga and Brahmaputra. Is dash delta. Option A, Padma. B, Sundarban. C, Kosi. And D, Sam. So, the delta formed at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra is dash Padma, Kosi and Sun. These are the name of the rivers. ये सब क्या है बेटा, रिवर्स के नाम है. सो सुंदरवन वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा डेल्टा पूरे वर्ल्ड में, द सबसे लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा जो बनता है वो एट द माउथ ऑफ गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड इट इज नोन एज सुंदरवन. So we have completed MCQ question. Now let's start with the fill in the blanks. First question, the northern plains can be divided into dash river basins. So northern plains are divided into three river basins: Satluj, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Question number 2. The small rivers that join to make a big river. The small river that join to make a bigger river, that is known as tributaries. Okay, so tributaries join to the big rivers. जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को सतलुज इंदस रिवर की ट्रिब्यूटरीज डिस्कस की थी सतलुज बेसिन में, फिर गंगा बेसिन में गंगा रिवर की ट्रिब्यूटरीज डिस्कस की थी और ब्रह्मपुत्रा में. So that are the small rivers which join the big rivers tributaries. Okay. और ये नहीं है कि सारी स्मॉली रिवर्स होती हैं, बिग रिवर्स बना देती हैं. तो ये रिवर्स का पानी जब उन रिवर को ज्वाइन करता है तो और भी एक्सेस वाटर हो जाता है. ठीक है, उनमें से कुछ रिवर्स माउंटेन रिवर्स भी हैं. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. और इज the Indira Gandhi Canal Indira Gandhi Canal starts in the state of यहाँ पे भाखड़ा नंगल डैम बना है तो किस स्टेट में स्टार्ट हो रही है? इन द स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब. इज इट क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. The main occupation of people in this region means area is dash. तो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में मैक्सिमम लोगों का ऑक्यूपेशन क्या है? फार्मिंग है, क्योंकि इसे फूड बाउल ऑफ इंडिया कहा गया है. सबसे ज़्यादा क्रॉप्स का प्रोडक्शन जो होती है, वैरायटी ऑफ क्रॉप्स कहाँ होती है? इंडियन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में होती हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ पीपल इन दिस रीजन इज फार्मिंग. So now we have completed question number B also. Now let's start with question number C. Question number C is true and false. We have to tell whether the given statements are true or false. First one is river Ganga falls into the Arabian Sea. River Ganga रिवर गंगा है, river Ganga falls into the Arabian Sea. So student, this statement is false. Okay, river Ganga falls into the Arabian Sea. This statement is false because river Ganga falls into the Bay of Bengal. Second one, the Brahmaputra river starts in Tibet. So student, this is a true statement. Brahmaputra river start from Tibet. Yes, this is a right statement. Third, delta is a diamond shaped island. So student, this is the false statement because what is the shape of the delta? Delta shape is triangular. The northern fertile plain plains are not very important for us. So this is a false statement. Northern plains are very important to us. Maximum variety of crops and the soil of this northern plain is very fertile. So northern plains are very important, and these plains are also known as the food bowl of India. So that is the reason this statement is false. Fifth one, Sundarban is a river. So student, this is the false statement. Sundarban is a river. This is the false statement because Sundarban is formed is a delta, and it is formed at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra river, and this is the world largest delta. Okay, formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra river. So that is the reason this is the false statement. Okay. Now let's start with the question answers of the chapter. Short answer question: what are tributaries? So let's discuss this answer. What are tributaries? A river or stream that flow into a large river. Is it clear? What are tributaries? And there are many tributaries which I have already explained you when I explained you Satluj river basin, Ganga river basin, and Brahmaputra river basin. So the what are tributaries? Rivers or stream that flow into a large rivers are called it tributaries. Okay, thank you student.